Hello, my lovely children. Good morning. Let's say together, very good. Are you ready to learn something fun today? Yes or no? Wonderful. Today we are going to learn a sleeping line. Sleeping line means a line that goes from left to right. It is called a sleeping line because it looks like it is lying down or sleeping. Children, look at the screen. Can you see this line? This line is sleeping. It is not standing. It is not jumping. It is resting. So we call it sleeping line. Let's say together. Is the sleeping line straight? Yes or no? Children, let's look around us. Is your bed sleeping or standing? Is the road sleeping or standing? Is the blackboard standing or sleeping? Good thinking. Now look at this train on the screen. The train has many sleeping lines. Look at the top, sleeping line. Look at the bottom, sleeping line. Sleeping lines help us make pictures. Now children, please open your Kenbee book. Open page number 9. Can you see dots on the line? Yes or no? These dots are helping dots. We will join the dots slowly. No hurry, no racing. Sleeping line goes left to right, like this. Children, show me your finger. Very good. Now let's write in the air. Start from the dot. Go slowly, left to right. Everyone write with me. Sleeping line. Are we lifting our hand? Are we going straight? Wow, you are doing great. Now children, keep your book on the table. Hold your pencil properly. Pencil sleeping or standing? Good grip. Good job. Join the dots slowly. Do not press too hard. Do not rush. Is it okay to go outside the line? Is it okay to take help from teacher? Let's play yes or no. Sleeping line goes up. Sleeping line goes side. Sleeping line is straight. Sleeping line is jumping. Super smart children. You did a wonderful job today. Clap for yourself. Sleeping lines make our writing beautiful. Tomorrow we will learn something new. Say bye-bye, sleeping line.